KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a really cool little recipe, really easy to do. It's my chicken, spinach and mushroom cheesy breads. It sounds like a mouthful. These are perfect for the weekend or a Friday night. Alright, here I've got a chicken breast. I'm just going to put that into a pan. I'm using a low heat here. I'm just going to add in a little bit of seasoning, so a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to taste. I'm using a bit of white and a bit of black pepper there. Right, sprinkle that on, a little bit of salt. Okay, just like that. As you can see, that's on a real low heat. Just give it a good splash of water, just like that. And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover that and poach that for around about 10 minutes or so. It's not going to take very long to cook in this little steam environment. Once that is done, we can give that a bit of a shred, just like that. And I did turn that chicken halfway through and season the other side exactly the same. So just using 2 forks, shred your chicken breast up. It's not going to take very long at all, and that's around about a 400 gram chicken breast. Okay, you can already get some chicken that's already pulled apart like that from your local supermarket, but look, this doesn't cost much and doesn't take very long to do at all. Right, here I've got a few button mushrooms, right, and all I'm going to do is give those a wipe down with a cloth and give those a bit of a slice up. Right, I'm making up some beautiful cheese, so I've got some mixed cheese in the bottom there, probably about a third of a cup's worth, and I'm going to add in some dried chives, and I'm also going to add in about a third of a cup's worth of cottage cheese, right? Just like that. And that's going to end up, once you give that a good stir, it's going to end up with a really nice thick cheesy base for our cheesy breads. It's not going to take very long at all, and the mixture of these two cheeses just works beautifully. Alright, so that's our cheese mixture all made up, ready to go, and I've got my sandwich press out. These things only cost you about 20 bucks or something like that from some of your local supermarkets. You can spend as much or little as you like on one of these, but they're a great little thing to have in the kitchen. Right, I'm going to lay down some of that cheese, just like that. Nice good layer. Right, use as much or little as you want, but you want to get a nice coverage all over your bottom tortilla. There's a flour tortilla. Right, we're going to sprinkle over some of our shredded chicken, just like that. And as I said, these are great for a Friday night, Saturday lunchtime, or even just a real quick, easy Saturday night meal. Right, so we're going to put those over there. I'm going to add in some mushrooms, some sliced mushrooms, just like that. Sort of like we're making a pizza, but don't skimp on the mushroom. Give it a good sort of layer of that. Alright, so we're going to layer all of those up just like that. Really nice and simple. And here I've got some baby spinach, and I'm going to give that a nice big layering up as well. Okay, just layer all of those up, and make sure we've, none of the spinach is going to escape from out of the sides if possible. Right, so let's layer that up just like that, and that cheese that we've got and the seasoning on the chicken is pretty much enough. A little bit more cheese. We're going to add in some grated Parmesan or Pecorino. I prefer Pecorino. I like the funk of that. I'm going to put another tortilla on top, give that a little bit of a smush down. I'm going to close my sandwich press. I'm going to turn that on, and I'm going to let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or so. Alright, it's not going to take very long until it looks something like that. Now, we're going to be nice and careful, and we're going to remove that tortilla off our sandwich press. I'm just going to use my pizza pail nice and carefully so I don't scratch the non-stick surface, and all we have to do is put our next one on that we have already made. Now, mind you, that sandwich press is already hot. We're going to close that down, and all we have to do now, cook that one off, and we can serve that up. How easy and how quick was that to do? Right, so here I've got my cheesy breads. I'm going to sort of put these onto a little platter, so people can just pick and choose whatever they like. Serve it up with a little bit of ranch dip on the side, and there you go. You've got KP's chicken, spinach and mushroom cheesy breads. Alright, how easy is that? Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. More importantly, if you want to Leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them, and make sure you subscribe so you will never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my chicken, spinach, mushroom, toasty breads, cheesy toasty breads, and I will catch you next time. Bye.